guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to bring to you a couple of cool paper packs from Not Too Shabby. This is the paper pack club kit for the month of June 2023. And okay, Gingham you can use for pretty much any time of year. It's just Gingham. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. This is some good quality paper, and we've got all the colors of the rainbow in here, so there's going to be a lot of fun things you can do with that. But you gotta look at this. We got summer donuts. I mean, come on. So anyway, let's do a quick flip through on that, okay? So we've got sprinkles. Perfect, right? Then we've got all these cute little guys here. I mean, come on. We've got a ton of cute little summery donuts hanging out. This one has got a little drink in his hand. We've got one that has a flamingo float. We've got one with a slice of pineapple. I mean, a slice of watermelon. We've got one that is in the shape of a pineapple. So we've got a lot of fun things there. And then we've got this one. It's the same guys, but bigger. So that means you can fussy cut them out to put on a card. Then we've got this cool wreath, which means this is a 6x6 paper pack. So that means a 6x6 card, or you could trim off part of it and make it a little bit smaller. Then we've got these cute little crabs, some patriotic donuts, some more sprinkles, lots and lots of pineapple donuts. I mean, this is just too stinking cute. I love this pattern because you could use that for basically anything during the summer. But the little flamingo, I mean, I'm sorry, these things just they crack me up. We've got frosting, more of the donuts, and then of course it repeats. So we've got 4 of each of the designs, and they're double-sided, so you got plenty to play with, right? Well, when I saw these, I thought, yeah, that is super cute. I could see me making some things with it. And then I saw something that I was not getting to show you guys as a design team member. There's also the stamp and die of the month. So I said, okay, Jamie, I need those too. Can I add those and can I just pay for them? So now I've got the stamp and die of the month, which is again adorable donuts. I mean, come on. We've got a little fox, we've got a panda bear, we've got a regular donut, if you want to be safe, right? We've got a kitty donut, and we've got a bear donut, and then all the fun sentiments. We've got Donut Worry. I hope this card makes you smile. We've got some extra sprinkles and stuff too. I donut know how to thank you. Donuts fix everything. Be happy. Thanks a whole bunch, and just roll with it. I think that's cute. But of course, we've also got the corresponding dies. So I have not opened these up. I have not played with them yet. So guess what? We're going to do that today. So we've got Donut Worry. We've got I Donut Know How to Thank You. I've got Donuts Fix Everything, which just basically means I'll only use part of one. So I think what I want to do, I really like Donut Worry Be Happy. So I'm going to use the Donut Worry stamp, and I'm going to use the Be Happy stamp. And now I just need to figure out where exactly I want them to go. So I want the donut that's cut out of pattern paper up at the top. And then I think I'm going to place the happy just below it. Go down a little bit more. So I'm going to go right there. And then we've got Be Happy. And I think I'm going to go with the Be Happy right below that. So now I'm going to remove all the rest of this stuff. That stuff was just there to give me an idea of where I wanted to go. Now, I do need to still line them up, make sure everything is pretty much straight. Okay, I think that should be about right. And it should be straight. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab out some ink. Okay, so I'm using some Distress ink and Vintage Photo. So just inking that up. And then I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe off the word donut, because I don't want any of the ink to be on there. Because we already have a donut, right? So let's go ahead and stamp that down. I know I'm going to need to stamp it another time, and I'm thinking that the Worry probably doesn't have quite enough ink. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. So for this red gingham piece, I decided I want it to be actually thinner. So I taped it to the back of one of my card panels, so it's going to be flush. Actually, I got it too high on the end because I'm going to cut this with my paper trimmer, and I'm going to use the second card as a guide so that I can make sure I get it all straight. Okay, just line that up, put the tape down, and now I can put this one up against that rail there. And before cutting, it's right at 4 3/4. So if I want to cut this 1/2 inch piece into 2/4 inch pieces, just need to go down about 1/4 inch. Okay, and now I'll just slice that, and now I've got 2 pieces. I've got one for each of the cards, and they are thinner, and I think I'm going to like that a bit better. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add this down onto my card panel, just using some AdTech dot glue runner. And yeah, I want to make sure that my donuts are facing the right way. And I'm also going to let them, actually, I think I'm going to use the bottom to make sure that this stays straight. And just using my desk to line those up down at the bottom so then I can trim it off and everything will be straight. Now I can add one of the gingham pieces down. And since it's thinner than my glue runner, I'm just going to use some liquid adhesive here. So just adding a little bit of liquid glue. And this stuff does dry clear, so I know I got it kind of away from where I needed it to be. And yeah, anyhow. Let me go ahead and put this guy down. Just line it right up against the edge there. And it's going to dry clear, so we're not even going to see that I messed up there a little bit. Now I can trim that one down. So because I love foam so much, I'm going to use some foam on this one. I'm going to use that right behind my sentiment. And I was going to do it straight, but you know what? I think I want it at an angle. And then my donut can be a little bit wonky too. I'm going to place some foam on the back of him. There we go. And I'm going to do the same kind of thing on my second panel. So I don't know about you, but I have googly eyes in my stash, and yeah. Anyway, I never use them. These are some that a friend sent to me, and I'm going to go ahead and use those today because the little eyes on these donuts just screamed. Well, actually, it wasn't so much the donut, it was the crab over here. So I have to. I have no choice, right? So let's go ahead and add those to the front just using some liquid glue. So aren't those little donut guys just too stinking cute? These are such fun cards, and I just could not resist. I will be back making some more cards using the paper pads, and of course I do have to use these fun stamps that are the Stamp and Die of the Month. Also, be sure to come back in about 3 weeks. I'm going to be going live on the Not Too Shabby Shop Facebook page and here on YouTube on my channel on the 28th at 7 p.m. playing with this fun set of products from Not Too Shabby Shop. Also, be sure to check out this playlist to see more projects where I'm using Not Too Shabby Shop products. And you guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.